If you're looking to light your work truck bed, have some extra lighting alongside your race trailer, or gain some extra visibility when on the trails or any other off-road application, look to the Bright Earth Heavy Duty LED work light. With its combination of protection and durability, these may just be the compact, easy to install lights you've been looking for. And they'll make looking for everything else a breeze on those dark nights. Featuring 33 light-emitting diodes, putting out an impressive 726 lumens total, Bright Earth heavy-duty LED work lights only draw 0.3 amps at 13.8 volts, making them ideal for car trailers, UTVs, truck beds, golf carts, and more. And they're built to be durable in the toughest off-road environments too, with a die-cast housing and mounting bracket, as well as a unique waffle design lens. Equipped with a waterproof pigtail connector, stainless steel hardware, and being IP67 rated, you can rest assured that dust and weather won't be an issue. The Bright Earth heavy-duty LED work light shown here is a floodlight, meaning that its 120-degree beam pattern will illuminate a larger amount of space than a spotlight, using the same wattage and lumen output. At 6.6 watts, the 33 LEDs provide a bright 6000 K crystal white light and operates on any input voltage from 10 to 30 volts DC. Ideal for compact installations, the Bright Earth LED work lights are only 3 5/8 of an inch wide by 3 inches tall and 3/4 of an inch deep. The black finish housing will complement nearly anything without becoming the focal point. With the mounting bracket located on the bottom, placement options are nearly endless, and the simple 2-wire pigtail with reverse polarity protection makes installation nearly foolproof. For more information on Bright Earth LED products, be sure to visit brighthearthleds.com.